trash we create each day, which helps lessen our impact on the environment. This video aims to assist you in adopting sustainable habits that can be part of your daily routine. It covers a wide range of topics, including tips for shopping smartly, fun and practical DIY projects, and effective strategies for cutting down on waste. So make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's get started. Understanding zero waste. The concept of zero waste centers on the goal of sending nothing to landfills, incinerators, or oceans. It is a comprehensive approach that emphasizes reducing, reusing, and recycling materials to minimize waste production. By adopting a zero-waste lifestyle, you significantly contribute to preserving our planet's precious resources and protecting its diverse ecosystems. This approach encourages us to rethink our consumption habits, ensuring that we use products more efficiently and dispose of them responsibly. It also involves finding creative ways to repurpose and recycle items rather than discarding them. Shopping tips for zero-waste living. Taking a critical look at your shopping habits is an essential initial stride towards adopting a zero-waste lifestyle. Start by remembering to bring your reusable bags and containers whenever you go shopping, as this simple practice helps significantly reduce plastic waste. Another effective method is opting for products that have minimal or no packaging, or buying in bulk to minimize packaging waste. Supporting local farmers and businesses not only promotes community engagement, but also decreases the environmental impact associated with the long-distance transportation of goods. Additionally, one of the most impactful changes you can make is to switch from single-use items to reusable alternatives. Investing in reusable items like straws, utensils, and water bottles not only cuts down on waste, but also helps in conserving resources over time. DIY projects for zero-waste living. Do-it-yourself DIY projects are a fun and creative way to reduce waste in your daily life. Making homemade cleaning products using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils can eliminate the need for plastic bottles and harmful chemicals. Repurposing old items into new household decorations can give them a second life, reducing the demand for new products. Creating your own beauty and personal care products using natural ingredients can minimize waste and avoid plastic packaging. Waste reduction strategies. Reducing waste involves being thoughtful about what we buy and use, as well as implementing practical strategies to manage our waste more effectively. For example, composting food scraps and yard waste is a great way to turn organic material into nutrient-rich compost for your garden. This not only reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, but also improves the health of your soil. Additionally, instead of throwing away broken or worn-out items, consider repairing and reusing them. This can significantly cut down on the amount of waste you generate. It's also important to learn about and follow local recycling guidelines. Properly sorting and disposing of recyclable materials helps ensure that they are recycled and do not contaminate the recycling stream. Sustainable daily habits. Developing sustainable daily habits plays a key role in sustaining a zero-waste lifestyle. It starts with mindful consumption, where you think about how your purchases affect the environment and buy only what you need. Conserving energy is another important step, achieved by turning off lights and appliances when not in use, opting for energy-efficient appliances, and making the most of natural light whenever possible. Similarly, reducing water usage is crucial. Fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and using water-saving fixtures all contribute significantly. Additionally, collecting rainwater for outdoor activities further reduces water waste and supports sustainability efforts. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you not only minimize your environmental impact, but also contribute positively to preserving our natural resources for future generations. Community involvement and support. Getting involved with your community and backing sustainable initiatives can significantly boost the effectiveness of your actions. By sharing what you know and your experiences, you can motivate others to embrace sustainable habits. Joining local environmental groups, participating in cleanup events, and supporting projects aimed at reducing waste and conserving resources are all impactful ways to contribute. Additionally, advocating for policy changes at local and national levels is crucial in advancing sustainability efforts and promoting waste reduction initiatives. Together, these collective efforts can foster a more environmentally conscious community and drive positive change toward a sustainable future. Overcoming challenges and celebrating progress. Transitioning to a zero-waste lifestyle can be challenging, but every effort you make towards sustainability is a step in the right direction. It's okay to start small and gradually adopt more sustainable habits in your daily life to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Patience is key as you embark on this journey, understanding that progress takes time and persistence. Remember to celebrate even the smallest successes along the way, as each positive change contributes to a greener and more sustainable future for our planet. By taking these steps, you're not just reducing waste, but also making a meaningful impact on the environment and inspiring others to do the same. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Green Life Guide for more updates. You can also send us a message on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide Official. Thanks for watching.